Doc Talk, brought to you by Borgess.
Well, nobody's senior prom should be spent on crutches. What a bummer that would be.
Yeah.
But one young woman had to hobble onto the dance floor after being hurt in a bad car accident.
Yeah, in this week's Doc Talk, how her doctor managed to stop her internal bleeding so she could be treated immediately.
It was embolized.
Olivia Nussbaum hasn't ever seen this before.
These areas here are where you had some muscle injury, right down here that this vessel was actively leaking out.
An image of her surgery performed 2.5 years ago. At the time, a high school senior, she was rushed to Borgess after being T-boned at an intersection. She had 4 pelvic fractures and lots of internal bleeding.
I remember bits and pieces. I think I was just kind of like in shock.
Her CAT scan shows us one reason why.
This is actually a big clot inside her. We call it a hematoma when it's bleeding inside.
She was remaining stable, but kind of on the border there, and we absolutely need to get that bleeding to stop.
Director of Interventional Radiology, Dr. Terrence Wilkin, was quick to perform what's called an arteriography embolization to block the loss of blood.
We can actually pinpoint, millimeter-sized blood vessels that are leaking and fix it just from inside the vessels.
He did so by guiding this tiny microcatheter into Olivia's vessels.
This is a tornado shape. This is a complex helical shape. Plug it up with these little micro coils, 1, 2 coils here. That swirling is gone. You can see this blood vessel is dammed up, if you will.
It's an outcome difficult to achieve with open surgery. The technique is also less invasive, and patients recover more quickly.
And it was an eye-opening to see exactly how bad the bleeding was and what they had to do to stop it.
Today, Olivia is healthy, a college student and camp counselor, thankful for the care she received.
I'm 100% now. I can play basketball or volleyball or ski or swim or whatever, and it's great.
For more information on blood loss prevention, go to radiology.borgess.com. We've also linked you there from our website.